Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn sitemap, how to configure sitemap in Magento 2. So go to admin area, enter username and password, right? And go to store and configuration. Inside the configuration, you go to catalog and you see from here sitemap, right? So sitemap here is option category option, right? Second option is product option. Third one is CMS pages. Fourth one general settings, right? Fifth one sitemap file limit. And sixth one search engine submission setting, right? So first one is category option, right? So category option allow here, yes. So here is option always, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and never. So guys, as per your store settings, suppose you want to add product daily, so you need set from daily. If you allow for always, as per trolling Google, you can add so always, but not necessary for always. As per your inventory update, you as per your catalog update, so you want to daily or weekly or monthly, so maybe need for daily or weekly. If you allow update category catalog, so daily, otherwise weekly. So I suggest daily or weekly, right? So daily on priority basis, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So this is 0 mid level and 1 is high, right? And second one is same thing, product option, daily, weekly, monthly, right? This is category. If you don't need for allow every daily, so weekly allow, right? And here is one, right? Add all images, yes, because we also allow images, right? And third one is CMS pages, same thing, CMS pages. You add, here is option, choose a weekly, daily, monthly as per your requirement, because you add daily CMS pages, so you can add from daily here, otherwise weekly, right? Same thing, priority, if you are reading most important content in CMS pages, so is 1, otherwise 2.5 is very good, right? Because this is highly range from 0 to 1, right? Now is setting, enabling, yes, because we need, yes. Time set, this is 000 means midnight, right? Midnight daily, right? And you can set from here is morning 10 1 a.m. in night for every time, right? In night 1 a.m. and for 4 minutes and 1 second, right? This is daily schedules. If you fail receive, you can add also your own mail ID from here. So this is my mail ID after phn20@gmail.com. General form you can set from here is most of template formatting. If you know about, if you don't know about the general and this is type, so please see my previous videos. I totally explain all of these in my previous video, right? So follow my full series and you can, you know very well about this sales and these all, how can configure this, right? So general configuration, right? And this is the way sitemap generation bonding default, right? So because we need, right, this is error. And you can, other than, you can template format, you if you have any special template, you can follow this, otherwise sitemap generation is default template, right? And second thing is sitemap limit, because file size as per your category and product sizing, you can set from here. Here is number of file maximum size URLs 5,000, sorry, 50,000. 50,000 is very good, because every weekly not add more than 50,000. If you have more than 50,000 URLs, so you can increase from here 60 or 70, right? And same thing here, you can increase your maximum file size, right? From here is 10, 20, right, to 20, right? And this is from robot. So I'll cover on separate video what is robot. So here is know about enabling yes. I definitely explain the robot.txt. What is robot.txt? So this is sitemap in Magento 2. You can set from here weekly. If you add category in weekly, so you can add here weekly. If you add category per day, so need select daily. And product definitely daily, because every day add more product. CMS pages most of time add daily, because we need some blogs or maybe some promotions at pages. So enabling yes, and midnight AM or 2 p.m., right? Or maybe in 11:30, 11 in night, right? So select 23 in 11 p.m. Sorry, yes, 11 in midnight, right? So daily, because we need daily report. Send your receive error message from here. And file size execution, right? This is all of yes, and save this, right? So this is the way to allow sitemap in Google, right? Right. So if you have any problem and inquiry about sitemap, please comments me or mail me on my mail ID of the KHN20. I definitely revert on your comments as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.